welcome back to Ashtoberfest. Today's look is obviously a 90s Gwen Stefani. We love to see it. This wig I just gave up. I just truly gave up. But I hope you're excited because this video I actually included my mom. She's a huge Gwen Stefani fan and like current Gwen Stefani fan. Like she loves Blake Shelton Gwen Stefani, and I still love Gwen Stefani, but I'm more of like a 90s Gwen Stefani, No Doubt era type. What am I trying to say? Anyways, I included my mom in this video and I did her up like a current day Gwen Stefani, and I did me like a 90s Gwen Stefani. I made this little top. Does not look right on camera, but that's okay. It's like falling apart because I cut it apparently. Whoopsie. Anyways, for this top I just bought a blue bathing suit top and glued some rhinestones on it and glued some fur. I bought the fur from like an Etsy shop, so I'll link that down below, as well as everything else from this video, as always. Don't forget to enter today's giveaway by commenting on the Gwen Stefani photo on Instagram. If you don't follow me already, it's always linked down below. You can also follow me on TikTok. You can check out Ashtoberfest merch and all of that good stuff down in the description box. Don't forget to stay tuned to the very end for the emerging creator segment. I really feel like I can't speak at this point. Give me a minute. The emerging creator segment. That will be at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. It's so cute, so fun. And let's go ahead and get into this Gwen Stefani 90s tutorial. Alright, so I'm starting off on my mom's look. She's just a pretty simple look. Actually, I'm putting some light brown eyeshadow on her lids and then doing a wing. I feel like Gwen Stefani always has a big wing, so I'm going with that for her look. It's a pretty simple look, to be honest. Just gonna fix up her complexion a little bit, add some bronzer, touch up some blemishes and her nose, and getting her a more even skin tone. Highlighter, of course, I'm using my favorite Hourglass, and then to finish off, just adding Gwen Stefani's signature bold red lip. Oh, don't forget to add some lashes too. Last for her look is a super high ponytail like Gwen Stefani always wears on The Voice, which is my mom's favorite show. So we're using a ponytail extension from the hair shop to give her some of that glam, of fullness that Gwen has, and that's pretty much it. My mom's also got a cute Gwen Stefani outfit on that you'll see in the pictures on Instagram. And now it's my turn. So I am trying to make my brows look super thin like the 90s. Everyone in the 90s had super thin brows. I don't know what was going on. So I'm just using my usual brow products, but just trying to fill them in super thin. And then instead of doing foundation, I'm just gonna do some concealer because this look is definitely not skin focused. So just adding over some blemishes, and then I'm gonna blend out the usual spots. So I did my chin, under my eyes, and you guys know the drill. For the base of my eyes, I'm just using a light brown eyeshadow to go in the crease and on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to give some shape back to my face with my bronzer, going on my cheeks and over my nose, my forehead, and the usual spots. And just adding a little touch of blush before going back to my eyes and adding some more definition and doing a wing. I'm going to take a little bit of this blue cream paint from my Flash palette, but you could use eyeshadow, and I'm just adding this little blue line that Gwen had on her look. And then of course adding some mascara. I'm using the new Urban Decay Lash Freak. It is so good. Makes your lashes super chunky and cute if that's what you're going for. While I wait for my lashes to dry, I'm just highlighting my face, adding a little bit of a lash, and now I'm going to go to the part of this look that makes it a Gwen Stefani look. I'm adding blue rhinestones all over the place. So she had one right in between her collarbones, and then she had a bunch going around her eyes down to her cheeks. So I'm just using some lash glue to apply these, and then continuing that down around my cheeks. For lips, I started out with this kind of cinnamon toned lip pencil from Buxom, but I ended up going back over it with a bright red, and then it still was too bright, so I went over it with like a brownie brick color and kind of just smudged that all together on my lips to get the perfect shade, and that's it. Alright, so this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to enter today's giveaway on Instagram. Again, as always, everything that I used in this video will be linked in the description box, as well as how to enter the giveaways, how to check out Ashtoberfest merch, and all that fun stuff. Stay tuned to see Eden create a Gwen Stefani look, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Hi!
Hi!
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Your makeup's so cool.
Thank you, I literally just finished it.
Do you do, like, super cool makeup every day?
No. I feel like I do something, like, interesting every day, but most of the time, like, for work and stuff, it's usually, like, pretty simple.
Yeah. Every time I see you on Instagram stories or anything, you just have the coolest look on. I'm like, that is so much work every day.
Yeah, I always try to have something funky going on.
Yeah, so cool.
Well, I'm Eden, and I'm 20, and I live in Tucson, Arizona, and I've been doing makeup for a few years. I went and I got my cosmetology license. I work at the Sephora here, but I feel like just since like quarantine happened, I started actually taking social media seriously, and it's actually really fun, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. I got really into TikTok for a little bit.
Didn't we all?
Yeah, yeah, pretty much everybody. We were all stuck at home, but I don't know, just been doing like all my looks, and like it's been really cool, like seeing support from other artists and like people I look up to. Like I think I followed you and watched your Halloween series since I was like in high school, like 16 years old. Like, ooh, this is so fun. Cause
oh my gosh.
Yeah, like I've been like. Yeah, I don't know. It's cool getting support from other artists. It like feels really good. It's really fun. Like I'm having a lot of fun with it.
That's so cool. I'm so glad that like we're able to collab, and I think having support from other artists, no matter like what size your platform is like that's what we need here, because there's
huge,
there's so much like unnecessary like negativity involved with the internet, and I just feel like we just need to all become friends and lift each other up and be nice.
Yeah.
So I'm super happy to have you on board. I obviously love your looks. I found your Instagram and was obsessed immediately.
I was like, wait a second, what? I like followed me, and I was like, that's so cool. Like, cause like I said, like I've been a fan of your work for a long time. It was just like, it's cool.
Oh, thank you. I was super happy when I found your page. I was like immediately follow. I was lurking.
Oh,
but I love the look that you created. Do you want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, okay, so we did the Gwen Stefani 90s look, and you told me that you were doing the blue fuzzy look, right?
Yeah.
Which I love that look, and she has blue hair in that look, right?
Mm-hmm.
And she has that look, but I remember, for Gwen Stefani, for me, what sticks out is when she had braces, like, she was just, like, working it on red carpets, like with her goofy little braces, and she had this look where she had like pink hair, like a little pink bob, and just like this pink fuzzy boa at like some event, and she just looked like so cute, and the makeup wasn't anything crazy, but I just thought she looked adorable, so that's what I wanted to do. And then since I'm also an adult with braces, which is whatever, I was like, oh, that's perfect, it makes sense, so
yeah,
that's fine.
Gwen Stefani's so cool.
I love her.
I know, and I just love that she rocked her braces, because
I definitely was like nervous getting them. I was like, I'm gonna look dumb, I'm an adult, and I was like, wait, whatever.
Yeah.
And now they're pink, and I'm having a lot of fun. I'm gonna get other colors and stuff. I like it.
Yeah, I love them. I think they're so cute. I never got to have braces when I was younger because they were too expensive for me, but
I have them now.
yeah. You're from Tucson?
Mm-hmm.
I love Tucson.
Really?
Yeah. Have you always lived there?
For the most part, I actually grew up in like a really tiny town, like a couple hours away, but like this was like where we came to like go to the movies or like go bird shopping. Like we would come to Tucson, so I've always been around.
Do you love EG's?
Oh my goodness. I think we had EG's yesterday.
Really? I love EG's.
EG's is the bomb.
Mm-hmm.
I will say though, there's some tiny little like shaved ice shacks that kick EG's butt.
Really?
Like, oh yeah.
Next
like,
time I'm out there, I'm gonna have to text you, and you'll have to show me around. Do you have, like, a most embarrassing Halloween costume from when you were younger? Like, if your parents dressed you up as something stupid?
I got it. Okay, so there was one year where I think I was probably 8 or 9, and my mom, like, really wanted us to have a family theme, and she was like, we're gonna be garden themed, it's good. She, bless her, like, she is so cute. Like, she made this, like, mushroom, gnome sitting on a mushroom costume for, like, my baby sister. Like, she went all out. She made her costumes, and I was so mad because I wanted to be scary. And I was like, I don't want to be a freaking garden gnome. Like, I want to be scary. So we had to, well, we compromised. And so I was a zombie fairy that year. And it was the most, like, goth 8-year-old Halloween costume you've ever seen. But I was, like, so mad because I wanted to be, it was Halloween. I was like, I'm supposed to be scary and cool, Mom. Duh. But she got me back because she super glued spiders coming up my legs onto my tights, but they actually super glued to my legs.
Oh my God.
So,
are you a big Scary Movie fan?
I'm actually a huge scaredy cat. I am a big wimp baby when it comes to scary movies. Like, I like old ones. Like, I really love Hellraiser, and I really love like kitschy kind of goofy ones. But like, my boyfriend is really into like extreme horror. I just am not there.
It's too much.
Like, it will just, I'll think about it for weeks. I was in high school and I watched The Hills Have Eyes, which isn't even that bad. I literally had nightmares for like 4 months.
Oh my God.
Driving home. To be fair, I lived in the setting that literally looks exactly like the movie and drove the same truck. And so I was like, oh my God, they're gonna pop my tires and they're gonna get me. And
what's your favorite Halloween candy, if you have one? Or like your favorite one that you would get when you're trick-or-treating?
I loved gummy candy, like sour gummy worms and like chewy, like with the little sour sugar crap on it. I love that stuff, but can't really eat it anymore because I don't eat gelatin because I'm vegan now. So I miss that. I miss that a lot.
Yeah. All right. Well, I think that's going to be it, unless there's anything else you want to add on or say.
Not really, just thank you for giving a shot to little guys like me.
No, you're not a little guy. Of course, I'm so happy to be able to, like, partner with people and just, it's been the best part of this, like, whole series for me this year because, like, I can do my makeup every day, you know, on my own and post a picture of it, but it's been the most fun to, like, hang out over FaceTime, but yeah, and, like, texting and just, you know, I feel like building a community kind of like a bunch of friends.
Being able to still like connect with each other even though it's online or whatever, but like still like even before quarantine and stuff, I feel like I haven't been disconnected to like other artists and people who are into the things that I am into. Like being able to communicate online has been like really cool.
Yeah. Thank you for chatting with me today on FaceTime, of course. And next time I'm in Tucson, you'll show me whatever's better than EG's, because EG's is all I know.
EG's is bomb, but it's not the best.
Okay.
But a lot of people in Tucson would kill me for saying that.
I won't tell anyone except for everyone who's watching.
Every person on YouTube.
Yeah. All right. Well, I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah, bye.